Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo and I'm back again with another YouTube video. So today is a weekly trade recap, and honestly there wasn't too much to talk about. There isn't too much to talk about what happened on the charts this week, but let's get into it. Open the charts. I only took one trade this week. Let me show you. So I only took one trade, and that was on Tuesday, and I took a sell, but we lost $200. Let's see what I wrote. Took a simple sell, price gave me the interest rate and I took it. It was counter trend trade and risky. Okay, I knew that. It was okay. I was in profit and then price pulled back. So I just closed out at break even. And then, yeah, I could have avoided this loss if I had just, been a little more careful. Or just being a little more careful. But the interest signal was there. The setup was there. I took it. It had great downside potential. I'm going to show you guys what I mean. And yeah, other than that, I didn't take a trade any other day. Let me see. Wednesday, didn't take any trades. There was potential, but I didn't take it since there was no clipper. Exactly. If I can't tell myself a story or I can't read the charts, then there's no point in trading. I don't want to take an unnecessary trade. Like this trade right here that I took, there was a story, but the story was still writing itself. It wasn't complete. So I just took it in the middle of the story. It didn't turn out how I wanted it to be, obviously. The end wasn't the same. But for these trades right here, I guess the rest of the week, there wasn't any clear picture, any clear direction that the market wanted to move. So I just stayed out of the way. And you're going to see why that's beneficial, right? Sometimes not trading, actually all times, not trading is oftentimes the best way to trade, right? Trading is more about avoiding the bad losses, avoiding the bad trades, than taking the good trades. If you just eliminate the bad trades and only focus on taking good quality setups, you're going to make it eventually, right? And that's where I'm at right now. If I'm being honest with you, I'm in the middle of a testimony right now of how faithful God is, of how good God is. And I'm going to make a separate video at the end of the month to do like a monthly recap and explain what I mean by that. But man, just know that God, he's able to do all things. He's able to call the dead things back to life. He's able to do abundant and exceedingly above all that we can ask or think. So with that being said, let's get into the chart breakdown. I took it on GPUSD, right? I'm pretty sure, yeah. Bro, also GPUSD has been like helping me a lot lately, man. I've been cooking on it. Anyways, I ain't gonna do it day by day. I'm just gonna go through it. So coming to the market on Monday. I didn't trade Monday. One, because what was Monday? Was it a holiday? Oh, okay, no. So Mondays I don't trade. I was trying this out for the month of May, and I think I will keep doing this for the month of June, but I don't trade on Mondays. Why? Because over the weekend, like right now when I'm editing, I'm looking at charts, like I overanalyze the charts, right? I'll backtest and figure out, okay, what did I do wrong? What did I do right? How could I have improved? So then coming into Monday morning, like I'll be fresh on the charts and I'll be excited to take a trade that I will start seeing setups that were not there. So I told myself, okay, cool. We're just not going to trade Mondays because I know, okay, by the time Tuesday comes around, I'm already cooled down a little bit. I know, okay, the market already set up for the week. It's probably going to have that move. I just got to pay attention and read and follow what the market's telling me. Again, wait for the clear story to take a trade. Anyways, no trade on Monday on gold. No trade on silver either. Yeah, there's no trade on silver. Euro USD, no trade. Like how are you even supposed to trade? How was I supposed to know that this is going to sell off? I would be looking to buy. This is good thing we avoided that. And then right here. So no trade. Like I would be looking to buy. I would not be looking to sell in this area. But it is what it is, right? So Tuesday coming to the market again. Let me show it. Tuesday I was looking to buy. So gold gave me that big push that I wanted. Interest signal came a little bit later on. So I didn't take this trade. I wasn't even looking at gold. Silver. I was looking to sell on silver, but gold, the other pairs I was looking to buy. So yeah, silver wasn't going in the trend with the others. And I put this order block here. As you can tell, this is a trade that realistically, if I was on a trade, I would take, because this is a strong bearish engulfing candle. Like what other sign do you need to sell this? Like, and then I would have lost this trade because I did that. But that's the thing. You got to know the trend and figure out what is the chart doing. Just because this one's selling and if this one is selling, everything else is bullish, why are you looking to sell? Right, pay attention. And that's something that I should have worked on. And then Euro USD, again, I was looking to buy, but looking to sell as well, just paying attention to that. And GPUSD, which is where I actually took the trade. So as you can tell, this would have been a beautiful trade too. Oh man, let me edit this, put this down here. Cool. So This was a good trade. I'm okay with this trade. So I come into the market. Let me show you why I took this trade. Come into the market, replay, get out of here. Please get out of here. Oh man. All right, whatever. So going to a higher time frame, we are still, well, we're not bullish on the daily. Weekly, we are bullish as well. The 4 hour, we shifted bear. So coming to the market, I had a strong bear. I was having a strong momentum to the downside. 1 hour had shifted structure. Let me show you. 1 hour had shifted structure, 30 minute, 15 minute. I'm like, okay, cool. What do I need to take this trade? Oh, I need an order block. Okay, cool. There's a clear order block right there. Pull back to the order block. Okay, cool. Now, what do I need to take this trade? I need a big shifted structure underneath below here. But if you go on a 10 minute, it will be, actually, it was on the 3 minute. Yeah. So on the 5 minute, I needed a break below this area right here. On the 3 minute though, I needed a shift below here because if you go on the 1 minute, it's a strong area right here. So I'm like, okay, cool. I just need a shift below here, take this trade, stop loss above. Realistically, I may have extended my stop loss a little bit too much, and that's on me. That's just, I'm applying what I learned from my mistakes and making it better. But in this case, I shouldn't have. Honestly, I should have done that. It is what it is. I'm okay with that. So obviously, price had the big push that I was looking for. I should have taken it up here, but I waited for that extra confirmation, took that trade. Now, stop loss, let me show you. I should have put my stop loss here. Right above this level right here. Maybe at 14 pips. Right, 14 pips. That's why I should have put my stop loss. I ended up putting it at 18. I don't know why I did that, but we should have put it at 14 pips. And then TP would still be the same one. Obviously, oh. Yeah, TP would still be all the way down there. So, took this trade, let it flow, do its thing, and then it started melting. So I'm like, okay, cool. It is what it is, right? And if I had won this trade, that would have, this trade would have been like, Mo, you did decent. You did decent, right? You saw the move before it was gonna happen, and you took advantage of it. Like this move just had so much downside potential. Like when it was pushing, I'm like, strong bearish engulfing candle like this, oh man, it's gotta keep pushing. And that's 1 hour, let's say 2 hour, 3 hour, a little pullback, 4, 5, 6 hours, it'll play off. I'm like, and then 4 hour too, y'all see this strong engulfing? Oh man, like bearish engulfing. What more do you want? It's like a sign. It's telling you, hey, I'm looking to sell. Pay attention, bro. So I was like, okay, cool. I paid attention, took the trade. It is what it is, right? And then price was flowing and then eventually pulled back to this area right here. So as it was consolidating and doing all that, I just figured, okay, this trade, I think had already the push that it needed. And then the other pairs were pushing to the upside. So it just didn't make sense for me to hold this trade. So I just ended up closing out the trade like somewhere right here. I think like right here somewhere. That's why I didn't move. But I ended up closing the trade out somewhere around here. And that's when we lost the $200. And then, yeah, obviously, thank God I did that because we would have lost 500 if it kept going up. And then, yeah, that's basically it. I'm okay with this trade. It's a learning lesson. Coming into the market on Wednesday, I was looking to take a trade, but then again, no clear picture to read. Like it just didn't make sense to me. I just didn't know if I was looking to buy or looking to sell. So obviously this trade was there on the chart. I didn't realize this till afterwards where I was looking at it. Actually, I had the opportunity to take this trade. I just didn't take it. It just didn't make sense to me, right? I wasn't sure if the market was gonna actually push up or just go to the downside. If you look at Euro USD right here, like look at what it did. Oh man, come on. Like how much, what is this? This is shenanigan right here. It's even worse on gold and silver. Let me show you. Reset this. Okay, cool. Wednesday, like, look at this. How are you supposed to trade in this? This is silver, by the way. And then let's go on gold. I'm gonna show you. Gold literally didn't move. Like, it just stayed in the same area. Like, this is, look. Like, what? What is this? It just stayed in the same area. So, I'm okay with that. No trade on Wednesday. Thursday, let's see. Yeah, Thursday I wasn't looking to trade as well. It just didn't make sense to me. Like, I don't know if I'm looking to buy or sell. Silver, I guess I was looking to sell, but yeah, just didn't make sense to me. Euro USD didn't make sense to me. GBP didn't make sense to me. A lot of consolidation. And then obviously Friday, how are you supposed to trade like this? Like, how do you trade this? I don't know. So I didn't trade. You don't know. But gold did have a setup. I will say that though. Gold had a setup a little bit outside of my time frame, but still a good setup. Realistically, I probably would have taken it here because I would wait for the halfway. And then Let's go 900. And then probably just a 1 to 2. Or I would be targeting the previous high. Let's see, is there a previous high? Yeah, probably this high right here. So we would have gotten a 1 to 3.63 on gold. But again, I just wasn't comfortable with this trade. It is what it is. So overall, good trading week. It was a red week, which is okay. We only lost $200. I'm okay with that. But I have been staying disciplined. I have been more consistent. I've been waiting for the right setup to take. And yeah, it's only a matter of time before we get that breakthrough. We've been praying and we've been needing, right? So I'm trusting the Lord with everything. Everything. Let me show you. So as you can tell, we only lost 200 this week. This was last week. This is this week. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent. Keep praying. Draw closer to God and he will draw closer to you. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Acknowledge him in all your ways and he shall make your path straight. God bless you and God keep you safe. Have a good week.